So now let's see how we can insert pictures inside of Google Docs document by using Google Drive and Google Photos. So over here, I'm just going to press enter and I'm going to make space for a picture. So to insert picture from Google Drive, you simply go to insert right here and then go to image, and over here you can select drive. So once you click on that, you can see that you will be able to see all of the pictures that you can see in your drive. You can go into my drive as well, and over here you can see that you can go and navigate inside folders to find out pictures that you may have. In my case, I only have this on the root folder, so I'm just going to select it and hit insert, or you can drag it in right over here as well, and the picture has been added just like this. So now another way to add in pictures onto your Google Docs is by using Google Photos. So if you have uploaded any photos in Google Photos, you can insert them from right here. So I'm just going to click on insert, and then I'm going to go to images right here, and then I'm going to click on photos over here. So over here you can see that you'll be able to access all of the photos that you have uploaded right here, and you can also access albums if you have album right here. And then through that album you can access the photos out, and then just drag it out right here onto the main section. So I'm just going to drag this in right here and then keep it on right here just like this. And there you go, the photo has been added in just like that. And that is how you can insert pictures in your Google Docs document from Google Drive and Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.